Hello my Chico Pico friends. Today we are going to create Ultra Pro Max creativity in product modeling. So today we play with smartwatch product and we will do end-level creativity in renders. So sit your ass and watch the creativity. I like this model for my watch, so I'm gonna select this. Yeah, it's look beautiful. This is perfect for my product render. And now I'm gonna doing a watch product render, so I need now a watch model. Okay, so now back on Blender Kit, and let's search a watch model. Oh, look at this watch. I like this. I'm gonna select it. Okay, now select the watch and press G and X for drag, and press G and Z axis for drag upside. So I want to put this watch on the chest. And I can bet with you, after render this will look so creative. And you can't believe I trying to put this watch perfectly on chest. Okay, I want to tell you something. I know what are you thinking in your devil mind about this creativity. All audience thinking negative about this creativity, but this is not nudity. I'm a creative artist, and that's my work, creating something unique. So moral of story, don't watch this for sexual purpose and don't shake your snake. I'm teaching Blender software. I'm teaching creativity and tutorial for you. So just sit your ass and watch the creativity and learn something from me. You all people are such a great viewer. Thank you for showing your love. But please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with your mad friends. I promise to all my viewer, I will teach you something new, unique, in new ways, so subscribe first. Let's back on tutorial. So this watch looks so down on chest, we need to rotate it. So let's go on right view and rotate it little bit. Yeah, it's perfect. Now you can see the watch not fitted perfectly on the chest. We need to fix it because I need perfection in this area. Let's go on top view and press G and X for drag on X-axis. Wow, it's look like watch grab the chest. And you can see the watch strip also pressing the chest. Now let's add camera for render image. Press Shift A and select camera. Then press Ctrl Alt 0 for framing. Increase the resolution image. And let's fix the camera angle by click G Ctrl with mouse scroll button. And drag the camera, press G and Z for downing. I want to render 2K resolution image, so I need to decrease resolution value. I'm put 2500 pixel by 1450 around. Now when I will render my product image, so the image will be rendered in 2K resolution. It's look good now. In the next part 1 will show you how I put the skin texture in the model. And I will tell you a way of earning money by using your skill. Believe me, I have 5-year experience in earning by different platform. I can tell you truth. So put your ass on subscribe button and like the video by using your ass and D. And create creative product render and show your friend your work. I will bet with you after see this type creativity. Your friend ass will be burned, so go and create something new product rendering and burn your friend's ass. But before support, subscribe for more Blender related creative videos. Okay, back on project. I think I need to fix camera angle, so I press R for rotate and press C for rotating on Z axis. Let's watch the progress, how it is looking. I think it's looked pretty much good. What you think about my creativity? And how's my creativity? Please tell me in the comment. And tell me my wrong and how can I improve more for you. In the last, I want to say thank you for watching full video. Goodbye my Chiku Piku friends, and see you again in the next part of video.